So good morning, guys. Let me take you through the shamba. It's a tea plantation. So in front you can see a tea plantation. This plantation is found in Nyamira County, but not big. It is a quite a number when compared to Kericho and Rimuru. So guys, we plant some tea in other parts like Kisii County. They plant the cane. So some parts of Nyamira County, this is where this usually planted. So this is how it look like. These are tree. So nowadays they usually black like two leaves and a bud like this way, guys, as you can see. So this goes like downwards, and inside we have to try and plant the fruits. These are passion fruits. Yeah, they go this way up to there. Unaweza panda kwa line ama ukipenda, then this line unapata tu mtu anapita tu akijuna akienda. So this an avocado tree, but it seems that the season is not yet. It's usually plucked around August. During August you find like many avocados here. They usually fall down. You come and pick and take to our home. So my home is up there. That's in front of Nini. That's you go up that Nini plantation of bananas. Yo. So I'm walking downwards. I'm going to my nearest town. So I'm going back to where I stay, to my place where I stay. So nateremka hivi nipande bike, then I go to my town. So nimejaribu kutembea leo kwa farm niona at least venye it has been a while. You know, this is how the tea looks like. So it's amazing. The villages in Nyamira County. Let me zoom. Yeah, so I'm going to that nearest town there. It's quite a distance, but I'm going to take a bike. Yeah, down there there's a road that passes down there. You go all around it until you reach to my nearest town. So I'm in the village right now. So here we have Wimbi that is planted inside lines of hapa kulikuwa na chai, but it was a different kind, so we removed it and planted a new one. So it's coming up nicely, as you can see. It's good. Yeah, we had rainstorms last for like 2 months, so at least it's coming up nicely, as you can see, guys. So I'm almost approaching the road down there. It is there, as you can see. It passes all around the, yeah, naenda hivyo unafika mtoni.